Kuliah fibro, kini betul nama tak kubur light kami kai, kami tak kasih kita kembali lightly kipus light kami kai, dengan tip kawai pakawai. Kemudian kedai po Saint Francis Xavier RCUP School, Soklong, Mosunram, kedai po Mosunram, East Khasi Hill District required teacher qualification di Banlong, BA lane BSc with DLEd, lane BEd SSLC with 50% and 4 years of BA BEd, lane BSc BEd, lane BA BSc with 50% and 1 year special education and upper primary MTED. Hudwap have done ya UPM TED merkade kapus jongki upper primary. Age 35 plus 5 for SC, 35 plus 3 plus OBC and ST. Tenam tagging tip akamne phila man kontak kini kinomba khandai way, not way, arsau, praway, lai way, lane ndru khandai, not rew, khandai line rew. Last date 23rd August 2022. Deka last date kedai apply tarik desa kontak hi badon ke qualification nam takane ka kami kai ke badai po mau senram. Kabar kedai maths deficit post qualification BSc qualification kedai BSc maths lane MSc maths with BEd. Application should reach St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong kan negeri hapo Shillong hi on or before 24 August 2022 and written exam will be on 29/8/2022. Kene long tang BSc maths. Terkama air mufun saban lay chapo school jong St. Anthony Higher Secondary School mansumit. Mat kabalai ban interested candidate having quite norms may submit their application to the undersigned on or before 25 halnya for arpsan tarik August. Norms candidate should have passed MA English. Kanebre kadejong MA English would be at age as per government norms, salary as per ad hoc kadejong ad hoc. Government for secondary school. Date of interview will be informed later. Don't forget to mention your mobile number. Secretary Managing Committee mobile number 98360711862. Nomor belakang ayang ni. Te bilawan kontak ban kumno kijing tip kiba khamnya ane ban lai submit chapo e school jong gine ki post kiba line. Tang gine kijing tip khule jibun.